I'm Mr. Joseph, your chemistry teacher, so still on aldehydes and ketones. Before us, a typical chemistry A-level question on aldehyde and ketones. The diagram shows the structure of a compound formed by the reaction of hydrogen cyanide with a carbonic compound X. So you can look at the structure. Before us, the structure of the organic compound. What is the mechanism of this reaction? And what is the functional group in X? So if you look at the structure, this is a hydroxynitrile. So formation of what? Hydroxynitride by the reaction of an aldehyde or a ketone with hydrogen what? Hydrogen cyanide. So what is the mechanism of this reaction and what is the functional group? So we are going to explore the option. If you look at A is electrophilic addition and aldehyde. A is wrong. A is not the answer because aldehydes and ketones doesn't undergo what? Electrophilic addition, but undergo nucleophilic addition. So A is wrong. A is not the answer. Then if you look at B, electrophilic addition and ketone, the same reason, aldehyde and ketone, they don't undergo electrophilic addition, they undergo what? Nucleophilic addition. So B is wrong. Then if you look at C, nucleophilic addition, aldehyde, yes, aldehyde and ketone, they undergo what? Nucleophilic addition. But if you look at the structure here, it is not what? It is not an aldehyde. It is not an aldehyde. So C is wrong. The correct answer is D, which is nucleophilic addition and a ketone. Now, if you look at, you are adding what? Hydrogen cyanide. So you are adding hydrogen ion and what? And a nitrile, cyanide ion, Cn minus cyanide what? Cyanide ion. Then if you look at the structure, this is an alkyl group and this what? An alkyl group. So you have CH3. The ketone will be CH3, CO, C4H9, which is the ketone. By the time you add hydrogen cyanide through nucleophilic addition, you are going to get this structure. So the correct answer to this question is what? D. It's as simple as what? ABC, which is nucleophilic addition and a ketone. So attempt as many questions as possible and feel free to reach out to me if you encounter any challenge or any difficulty. I'm always there for you. I'm Mr. Joseph, your chemistry teacher. Thank you very much. So still on aldehyde and ketones, I'm Mr. Joseph, your chemistry teacher. I'm back with my lectures. So before I say typical chemistry A-level questions on aldehyde and ketones. W reacts with alkaline aqueous solution of iodine to form a yellow precipitate and CH3CH2CO-, which is propanoid ion. Which row identifies W and the yellow precipitate? Now, what happened is that for an organic compound to form what? A yellow precipitate of triiodomethane with an alkaline solution of iodine, it has to be what? An aldehyde or a ketone that contain a methyl ketone group, which is methyl ketone group, which is what? CH3CO, which is a methyl ketone group. So when it reacts with an alkaline solution of iodine, it will form a yellow precipitate of triiodomethane. So which row identifies W and the yellow precipitate? So now let's look at the options. Let's look at option A. Option A is butanol. Let's see butanol. Butanol is CH3, CO, CH2, then what? CH3. So if you look at butanol, butanol contains what? A methyl ketone group. So it contains a methyl ketone group. So when you react with an alkaline solution of iodine, you are going to get an intermediate which is Ci3, CO, CH2, then CH3, then alkaline hydrolysis. Alkaline hydrolysis, you are going to get what? CHI3, which is a triiodomethane, plus what? CH3, which is sodium sulfate carboxylic acid, CH2, COO what? Na. So you are going to get a triiodomethane, which is CHI3 and what? Sodium ethanoate, sodium propanoate, sodium salt of the carboxylic acid. So the correct answer to this question is what? A, which is butanol that contains a methyl ketone group, and the identity of the yellow precipitate is what? Triiodomethane. So the correct answer to this is what? A. B is wrong because this is not the formula for what? Triiodomethane. C is wrong because you will not get what? A sodium salt of the carboxylic acid, which is the propanoid ion. So C is wrong. Then D is also wrong because you will not get the sodium salt of what? The sodium salt of the carboxylic acid, which is the propanoid ion, and the formula for what? triiodomethane is what? Wrong. So the correct answer is what? A. So it's as simple as what? ABC. Attempt as many questions as possible and feel free to reach out to me if you encounter any challenge or any difficulty. I'm always there for you. I'm Mr. Joseph, your chemistry teacher. I'm Mr. Joseph, your chemistry teacher. I'm back with my lectures, still on aldehyde and ketones. Before us, a typical chemistry A-level question on aldehyde and ketones. Which compound will produce a yellow-orange precipitate when added to 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine? When added to 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine. So we're going to look at the options. If you look at the options, if you look at A is wrong because it doesn't is an alkane. It's an alkane. The functional group is an alkane. An alkane does not react with what 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine to form an orange precipitate. B is also wrong because if you look at B is an ester. So it does not react with 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine to form a yellow-orange precipitate. Then if you look at C is also wrong because C is a carboxylic acid, doesn't react with 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine to form a yellow-orange precipitate. I think the correct answer is D because it contains what? A ketone. So it reacts with 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine to form a yellow-orange precipitate of 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazone. So it's as simple as what? A, B, C. The correct answer is D. Attempt as many questions as possible and feel free to reach out to me if you encounter any challenge or any difficulty. I'm always there for you. I'm Mr. Joseph, your chemistry teacher. Thank you very much. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment, like, share, and reach out to me if you encounter any challenge or any difficulty. I'm always there for you. I'm Mr. Joe, your chemistry teacher. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Mr. Joe, your chemistry teacher.